Let me guess. Your skin was glowing all summer, but now that the weather is shifting, suddenly it's dry, dull, or breaking out in ways you didn't expect. Yeah, it's not just you, it's seasonal skin sabotage. And today, I'm exposing the 5 skincare mistakes that are literally ruining your skin this season, plus how to fix them. No gatekeeping. Mistake number 1, using the same routine all year round. Listen, your skin's needs change with the seasons. What worked in the summer, lightweight gels, foaming cleansers, mattifying everything, might be destroying your skin barrier right now. Cooler air equals less humidity equals your skin losing water faster. If you're still using a summer routine, you're basically starving your skin of hydration. Fix? Swap your foaming cleanser for something creamier, add hydrating toners or essences, and upgrade to a richer moisturizer that locks in water. Think of it like swapping your wardrobe. Tank tops won't cut it in October. Mistake number 2, skipping sunscreen in fall. This is the one that hurts me the most. Just because the sun isn't blazing doesn't mean UV rays aren't aging you. UVA rays, the ones that cause wrinkles, dark spots, and premature aging, are present all year long. And they go right through clouds, and even through your windows. Fix, wear SPF daily. A lightweight sunscreen that doesn't leave a cast will protect all the progress you're making. Think of it as your anti-aging insurance policy. Mistake number 3. Over-exfoliating or under-exfoliating fall is tricky. Your skin is already drier, so over-exfoliating can wreck your barrier fast, leading to irritation, redness, and peeling. But skipping exfoliation altogether? That means dull, textured skin and clogged pores. Fix. Gentle chemical exfoliants 1 to 2 times per week. Lactic acid, mandelic acid, or a low-percent BHA/AHA toner. Enough to remove dead skin and let your products absorb without stripping your face raw. Mistake number 4, ignoring hydration inside and out. Dry skin, tightness, flakiness, half of it isn't about what you put on your face, it's about what you're not putting in your body. If you're chugging coffee and barely drinking water, your skin will tell on you. Fix. Increase water intake, but also eat hydrating foods, cucumbers, oranges, leafy greens. On the outside, layer hydration, toner to serum to moisturizer to oil. This locks water in like a cozy blanket for your skin. Mistake number 5, neglecting your night routine. Here's the truth, your skin repairs itself overnight. If you're just rinsing your face and collapsing into bed, you're missing the glow-up window. Fix, at night, double cleanse, especially if you wear makeup or SPF. Hydrate, like your rent depends on it, and seal with a moisturizer or sleeping mask. You'll wake up looking dewy, even in cold weather. So if your skin has been acting up, it's probably not bad skin, it's bad habits for the season. Switch your routine with the weather, protect yourself with SPF, hydrate inside and out, and show your skin a little love at night. Because glowing skin isn't seasonal. With the right habits, it's permanent.